Hey, greetings, I'm Monica. Hope you all are fine there. Today in this tutorial I will briefly explain what digital marketing is. Any form of marketing that can be measured by marketing experts across the consumer journey and that leverages electronic devices to deliver promotional messaging. Digital marketing is most commonly used to describe advertising campaigns that run on a computer, phone, tablet, or other electronic device. Online video, display ads, search engine marketing, paid social ads, and social media posts are just a few examples of the various formats it can take. Digital marketing is frequently contrasted with traditional marketing methods like direct mail, billboards, and magazine advertisements. Oddly, traditional marketing is frequently grouped with television. Did you know that more than 34% of Americans use the internet every day? Additionally, 43% log on more than once every day, and 26% are online almost constantly. When it comes to mobile internet users, these numbers are considerably greater. 89% of Americans use the internet at least once every day, and 31% use it frequently. As a marketer, it's crucial to leverage the digital sphere through online advertising, brand building, offering excellent customer service that attracts additional potential customers, and more. With the use of a digital marketing strategy, you may engage with current clients and potential customers by using digital channels like social media, pay-per-click advertising, search engine optimization, and email marketing. As a consequence, you may increase brand recognition, give excellent customer service, attract new clients, and more. Furthermore, we will discuss in detail what digital marketing is and how we can start with digital marketing. Before we dive into detail, kindly don't forget to subscribe YouTube channel Earn with Jawad 786. Also pick a pen and diary to note important points so that when you start working as a digital marketing expert you must be aware of which steps to follow that occasion. Until then, keep learning, stay connected, and stay blessed. Take your best care. Anything you need to understand or have a query, then mention it under comments or reach out to me for further discussion. Bye. Wait. Don't end the video, we are discussing in brief what digital marketing is.
The promotion of brands via the internet and other digital communication channels is known as digital marketing, sometimes known as online marketing. This comprises text and multimedia messages as well as email, social media, and web-based advertising as a marketing channel. In essence, a marketing campaign is digital marketing that includes digital communication. What matters most in SEO is the art and science component. In order to attain the highest ranking on a search engine results page SERP, SEO requires you to conduct research and balance several contributing elements. Consumers want businesses to create enjoyable and useful content experiences, according to 84% of consumers. Companies with at least 5,000 employees produce material daily in 62% of cases. 92% of marketers think their business sees content as a valuable asset. Despite how successful content marketing is, it may be challenging. Any form of marketing can make your company successful, but because digital platforms are so widely available, digital marketing has grown in significance. Marketing automation boosts the effectiveness and relevance of advertising by using software to run digital marketing initiatives.